Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make screen capture of OBS Studio work on your laptop. If you have a problem making your OBS Studio work on your laptop, chances are that your laptop has two graphics card adapters. Now, if you want to solve this problem and be able to capture your screen using OBS Studio, stick around because I'm going to show you 3 ways or methods to make it work. You can use any of the 3 methods here to make OBS Studio work. But before we start, let me show you the problem with OBS not working if your laptop or PC has 2 graphics cards. I will open the OBS Studio app by clicking on its icon here on the taskbar. In this tutorial, I am assuming that you already have the OBS Studio installed and your source is set to display capture. You can add the display capture by clicking the plus sign here, then select display capture. And if you double-click on the display capture, make sure it is assigned. If you don't have extended monitor, you will only see display 1 here. Let's close this window. As you can see, the OBS Studio preview window is black, which means that it is not able to capture the screen or display of your desktop. Let's close the OBS Studio app and go to the solutions. Now, let's dive into the first method. This and the second method are for those who don't have extended or external monitor connected via the HDMI output. Right-click on the Windows Start icon. Click on the Device Manager. Expand the display adapters. As you can see, there are 2 display adapters: Intel Graphics and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060. Some laptops could be using different models or brands other than Intel or NVIDIA. Typically, the Intel graphics card is the default adapter for your laptop display. The NVIDIA is for HDMI output of your laptop if you want to connect extended monitor. To make the OBS Studio work, all you need to do is disable the NVIDIA graphics card or the adapter for extended monitor. So, right-click on the NVIDIA graphics card. Click Disable. Click Yes. Now, let's open the OBS Studio app. Boom! As you can see, the OBS Studio works. However, some of you may not like to disable the extended graphics card like the NVIDIA. If you are one of them, let's enable the NVIDIA graphics adapter and move on to the second method instead. Let's close the OBS Studio app first. Then right-click on the NVIDIA graphics adapter and click Enable. Close the Device Manager. Now, let's move on to the second method. Right-click on your desktop. Click on Display Settings. Scroll down and click Graphics Settings. Click on Browse and look for the OBS Studio executable file. By default, it is located in C, Program Files, OBS Studio, bin, 64-bit. Right now, it is already in the correct folder because I already opened or located it a while ago. In your case, you may need to locate this folder manually by clicking on C Drive, Program Files, OBS Studio, bin, 64-bit. Now, click on the OBS 64exe. Click Add. Here, you can see the OBS Studio in the list. Click Options. Click Power Saving, then Save, and close this window. Now let's open the OBS Studio app. As you can see, it works. This is the best option if you don't have extended or external monitor connected to HDMI output of your laptop. However, if you are a PC gamer and would like to record your gameplay, it is best to use extended or external monitor via HDMI output and set the graphics settings to high performance. This is where the third method comes in. We will set the graphics settings for OBS Studio to high performance. Keep in mind though, that OBS Studio will be able to record only the display on the extended monitor. Because the built-in display can only be recorded if OBS Studio is set to power saving mode. Let's close the OBS Studio app first. Right-click on your desktop. Click on Display Settings. Scroll down and click Graphics Settings. Under the OBS Studio app, click Options. Click on High Performance. Click Save. Close this window. In this method, what you need to do is connect extended or external monitor via the HDMI output of your laptop. Turn on the extended or external monitor. Once it is up and running, right-click on your desktop. Click Display Settings. Scroll down. And under Multiple Displays, click the drop-down menu. Choose Extend these displays or Show only on 2. In this tutorial, I will pick Extend these displays. Close this window. Now let's open the OBS Studio app. Right now, it is still not working because the display capture is set to display 1. Let's change that setting. Double-click on Display Capture. Click on the choices here and select Display 2. Click OK. Now, you see it is able to display the desktop. However, it is only able to display the screen on Display 2. I am going to open a notepad and drag it on Display 2 so you can see. Let's move this. There it is. So, that's all you need to do. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more interesting and informative videos. Thank you and see you on my next videos.